What's up guys, Sam here. Huawei unveiled the Enjoy 10 Plus with a Kirin 710F SoC and a notch-less display earlier last month, and today the company followed it up with a slightly toned-down vanilla Enjoy 10. The Huawei Enjoy 10 is built around a 6.39-inch display that has HD plus resolution and a punch hole in the upper left corner for the 8-megapixel selfie camera. Around the back, the smartphone sports a dual camera setup aligned vertically in the top left corner, which is a combination of a 48-megapixel main and 2-megapixel depth sensor units. The fingerprint reader that accompanied the rear cameras on the Plus variant is missing from the vanilla Enjoy 10, though. On the inside, the Huawei Enjoy 10 has a Kirin 710F SoC, and it boots Android Pie-based MUI 9.1. The smartphone comes in three memory versions: 4GB 64GB, 4GB 128GB, and 6GB 64GB. It also has a micro South Dakota card slot, which allows storage expansion by up to 512GB. The Huawei Enjoy 10 comes in 4 colors and packs a 4000 mAh battery which charges through a micro USB port. The Enjoy 10 will go on sale in China from November 1. And as for the pricing, its base model with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is priced at 1,199 Chinese yuan, that is $170 and 150 euros, while the 4GB and 128GB variant costs 1,399 Chinese yuan, that is $200 and 180 euros. The third model, with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, is also priced at 1,399 Chinese yuan. Thanks for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will come with new video. Be Sam.